Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Starz subscription step by step clearly. First, check how you signed up for Starz, because cancellation must be done on the same platform. If you subscribed on the Starz website, open your browser and go to Starz.com. Click Login and sign in with the email and password you used for your Starz account. After you log in, select your profile icon or your name to open the account menu. Click Account or Settings to enter your subscription and billing area. Find the section called Subscription, Membership, or Manage Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription or End Subscription if you see that option. When a confirmation page appears, read the message that explains when access will end. Choose a reason if the page asks for one. Then click Continue to proceed. Click Confirm Cancellation to finalize the request on the Starz website. Wait for a confirmation message on screen that says your subscription is canceled. Open your email and look for a cancellation confirmation from Starz for your records. If you subscribe through Apple on iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID name at the top. Then tap Subscriptions. Find Starz in the list and tap it to open the subscription details. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm when the pop-up appears. If you subscribed through the App Store on a Mac, open the App Store app. Click your name at the bottom left. Then click Account Settings. Scroll to Subscriptions. Click Manage. Select Starz. And click Cancel Subscription. If you subscribed through Google Play on Android, open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon. Then tap Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap Subscriptions. Select Starz. Tap Cancel Subscription. And follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. If you subscribed through Roku, go to My Roku.com on a computer or phone browser. Sign in, open Manage Your Subscriptions, and locate Starz. Click Unsubscribe, then confirm to complete the cancellation on Roku. If you subscribed through Amazon Prime Video channels, go to Amazon.com and sign in. Go to Account and Lists. Open Memberships and Subscriptions, and find Prime Video channels. Select Starz, choose Cancel Channel, and confirm the end date shown by Amazon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.